Welcome to our video series on advanced features in Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll discuss copying, pasting, and cutting text. In this video, I'm going to talk you through a very important concept that you'll probably use often within Microsoft Word. You may even be familiar with it already from general Windows use, or actually this concept is used in pretty much most software, I would say, and many types of computers, especially those with graphical interfaces such as Apple Macs. And that's the concept of copy and paste. As I mentioned, you'll probably use this a lot in Word because it's a very useful feature. So at the simplest level, if you select some text and click, hold, and drag to select, and let's say I wanted to select this entire paragraph, you simply go Edit, Copy, and what that does is that it copies what you've selected into what is known as the Windows clipboard, which is effectively the Windows storage area that you can't see. In a way, you could say that Windows remembers what you've copied, and then when you're ready to insert it, you can paste it. So I've copied it into Windows clipboard, and let's scroll down to page 2. And now if I edit, paste, I paste what's been copied to the clipboard at that location. Okay, and I can do it as many times as I want because until I copy something else, it remains in the clipboard. So if I press Enter a couple of times and edit, paste, and there it is again, and again even. Edit, paste. And if I want to change what I have in the Windows clipboard, let's just say I want to select these 3 words. Edit, copy, edit, paste, and there we go. It just copies and then pastes those 3 words. And I can do it as many times as I want. Edit, paste. As well as copy and paste, we can also cut and paste. And what that means is that if we select the text and edit, cut. Copy and paste is where you copy but don't remove the text. You're duplicating the text effectively, as you saw. But with cut and paste, you copy what you've selected to the Windows clipboard, but you actually remove the original instance of it. So if I cut this, you'll see that the selected text disappears. So cut, and that text has been copied to the Windows clipboard, but it's also been removed from the document. So now if I edit, paste, it's back, and I can edit, paste as many times as I want. For example, if I want to move these 2 paragraphs, I can select them and edit, cut, and they're gone and copied to the Windows clipboard. Then put the cursor here, for example, and edit, paste, and there they are. So copy and paste is great if you want to duplicate what you've selected, and cut and paste is used when you want to move what you've selected. Or you can move it, and you can also move it and then add it a number of times if you wish. For example, I can now edit and paste again. Or even again. I can edit and paste as many times as I wish until I copy something else. This concept is exactly the same within both Word 2000 and Word 2003. So here's Word 2003, and if I were to select this, for example, I can edit, cut it, and it's gone and it's copied to the clipboard. And if I press Enter here, and now edit, paste, there it is. . 。  . . . . . . there are some more advanced features. For example, in Word 2000, you can see there's Paste Special, Paste as Hyperlink, and also if you edit, copy something more than once, this box appears. This is more advanced clipboard functionality, and I won't cover it in this video since this is really just an introduction to copy and paste and cut and paste, but these more advanced features will be covered in later videos. Now, Word 2003 also has more advanced options. There's Office Clipboard, and again, Paste Special, Paste as Hyperlink. But really, just standard copy and paste and cut and paste are fantastically useful, and once you become familiar with them, you may find that you tend to use them an awful lot when creating and editing documents. And also, it's worth mentioning, as pretty much everything in Word, okay, let's say I select that. You can use hotkeys, as I previously mentioned. So if you press the underlined keys, if you press Alt and E for the Edit menu, because you see the E is underlined, so you can press Alt, E, and then you can copy by pressing C, because the C is underlined. Alternatively, and in fact a better way, is to use these. I believe these are called the accelerator keys. Control plus C together, Control plus V together to paste. Cut is Control plus X together. So for example, if I type in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, if I select that, and Control C, if I hold down the Control key, the CTRL key, and press C at the same time, it copies it. So now if I put the cursor here, if I do Control V, pressing V while holding down the Control key, it pastes, and as many times as I wish. You can also cut, so select Control X to cut, and it's gone, and Control V to paste it, and I can paste it as many times as I wish by pressing Control and V together. So that's an introduction to copy and paste and cut and paste, and how you can use it when creating and editing documents, and also how you can do those functions even quicker by using the accelerator keys of Control plus C, Control plus X, and Control plus V.